Easy recipe for you, tomato salad with some peaches, a little bit of fresh white onion. Things you can cook in 20 minutes, 15 minutes at home. Perfect summer recipe. All you're gonna need is some fresh tomatoes. They should be ripe. Same thing for a peach. They give a lot of sweetness, really nice texture and sweetness to the dish. And then beautiful white onion. The sweetness of the fruit comes through. It's really nice with the tomato, especially if the tomatoes aren't too sweet, really elevates it. Same thing with the onion. The onion's this sort of powerful, intense little punch. That allium flavor cuts through it. You don't need too much. Probably equal parts peach to tomato, and then a quarter of that with onion. All right, use really nice olive oil too. That makes a big difference, and nice balsamic vinegar. Let's get started. Got ourselves a little mixing bowl here, okay? Got some tomatoes. What I'm gonna do is just cut the core out of the tomato. Give your tomatoes a nice wash too. I like to get different colored tomatoes. It just makes the dish a little bit more pretty. Different colors, they balance off each other nicely. So the peaches, you kind of want to have them mimic the size of the tomato so that when you put your fork through it and eat it, it's all sort of same size, same bite. Take your onion. Same thing with the onion. Kind of want to have nice thin slices of onion about the same size. All right, you got your white onion here, nice and thin. With onion, if you're gonna put it raw into a salad, I like to just give it a little bit of rinse with cold water. Just take some of the harshness off of it. Got some beautiful fresh basil from the farmer's market this morning. Just tear some of that up in there. Give it what it needs. Beautiful. Look at that. Now, dressing. A little bit of olive oil. Balsamic vinegar. Salt. Pepper. Give that a little whiskey. And then give it a taste. You know, it should be acidic, it should be balanced, it should be nice. Generally, when you're making a dressing, it should be 1/3 vinegar to oil. That's quite nice. So, vinaigrette right over top. It smells good. Again, give it a little tasty taste. A little more pepper. Get yourself a nice little bowl and just spoon it in. Don't make it too complicated. It's a very simple salad. Burrata. Burrata. Some more basil. Try to get the nice small leaves when you garnish on the top. This is simple cooking, guys. It's good stuff. Little salt and pepper on the burrata. Simple summer salad, peaches, beautiful fresh farm tomato, fresh burrata right on the top, balsamic vinegar, white onion, olive oil, salt and pepper. All you need, very simple, few ingredients, delicious, healthy, perfect summer salad. Can't beat it. Fuck me. Wow. Delicious. No bullshit. Strawberries would be nice in here too, actually. But I mean, look at that. Look how simple that is. Delicious, fresh, healthy. Who wouldn't want to eat that? A little cucumber in there could be nice too. Guys, if you like this video, if you want to see more healthy, simple recipes, make sure you subscribe. It really helps the channel. Like, follow, all that fun stuff. There's going to be more of these. Like I said, Farmer's Market Edition. Let's go. Let's get it, baby.